Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost notes on bass. Ghost notes are a fantastic way to add rhythmic texture and groove to your bass lines without adding specific pitches. They are essentially muted notes, played by lightly touching the string with your fretting hand while still plucking or picking with your other hand. This technique creates a percussive, almost drum-like sound, making your bass lines feel much more dynamic and engaging. Let's dive into the specifics. Your fretting hand plays a crucial role in creating effective ghost notes. The key is to lightly touch the string with your fretting fingers, just enough to mute it completely without pressing down to fret a note. You want to avoid any clear pitch from ringing out. Practice touching the string gently, ensuring a dead, percussive sound. Experiment with different finger placements to find what feels most natural and effective for you. Now, let's talk about your plucking or picking hand. For ghost notes, you'll typically use a lighter touch than you would for a pitched note. This helps create that subtle, percussive thump rather than a loud attack. You can vary the intensity of your pluck to control the ghost note's volume and character. Practice integrating these muted plucks smoothly into your regular bassline patterns, aiming for a fluid and natural feel. To truly master ghost notes, begin by practicing simple rhythmic exercises that combine both pitched and unpitched notes. A good starting point is to add just one or two ghost notes per measure into a basic groove, perhaps on the end of beat 1 or beat 3. Listen closely to bass players in funk, R&B, and jazz. They are masters of this technique. Their playing offers countless examples of how ghost notes elevate a bass line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.